In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use brand kits in Canva. Before we begin, make sure you already have a brand kit set up in your Canva account. That means your brand kit should include your approved colors, fonts, logos, and any brand photos you want to keep consistent across your designs. Having this ready will make the process smooth and help your work look cohesive and professional. Start by opening the project you want to work on. This can be any design, like a social post, a presentation, or a flyer. Once your project is open, look to the left-hand side of the screen. In the vertical sidebar, click on Brand. This opens the area where your brand kits live, so you can access everything you've prepared. If you manage more than one brand, or you're not seeing the kit you want, use the drop-down menu at the top of the brand panel. Click the drop-down, then select the brand kit you want to use for this project. Choosing the correct kit is important because it instantly gives you access to the right set of assets for that specific brand. After selecting your brand kit, you'll see everything that's available to you: your brand colors, your fonts, and any logos or photos included in the kit. These are ready to apply directly to your design. To use a brand color, first select the element you want to change, like a shape, a background, or an icon. Then click one of the color swatches from your brand palette. The color will apply immediately. If nothing changes, double-check that the element is selected before you click. For text, click on the text box you want to update, then choose a font or font combination from your brand kit. This helps you keep headings, subheadings, and body text aligned with your brand guidelines without guessing or manually adjusting styles each time. If your kit includes logos or photos, clicking on them will add them to your canvas so you can place and resize them as needed within the design. A quick tip: apply colors and fonts to one section first, then repeat across your design for a consistent look. Also, keep an eye on contrast and readability when applying brand colors to backgrounds and text. Your brand kit makes choices easy, but it's still worth checking that everything is clear and accessible. That's all there is to it. Open your project, click Brand on the sidebar, choose the right brand kit from the drop-down, and then click your colors, fonts, and assets to apply them. This workflow saves time and keeps your visuals on brand every single time.